In this video, let's see what is custom fields and how to add one. Easify now allows you to add custom information fields to your contacts beyond the standard name, email, and phone number. Whether it's lead status, source, business type, or any other relevant data, you can store the details that matter most to your workflow. This helps you organize, qualify, and convert contacts more effectively. Flexible contact management, tailored to your business. Now let's see how to create a custom field. To start, click on Contacts in the navigation bar. In the Contacts section, click the three-dot menu next to Import. Select Add New Contact from the drop-down menu. Fill out the required fields in the Add Contact pop-up. Add custom fields to your contacts to store the information that matters, like lead status, source, or business type. Organize and manage your contacts the way your business works. Enter a name in the field box. Click the plus icon to add the custom field. Now you can proceed to enter the details in the field. Click the Submit button to proceed. The contact has been successfully added to your contact list. By clicking the contact, the custom field details will be updated in the contact info. And also, calling an unfamiliar number triggers an Add Contact pop-up, which also displays the custom field. Thank you for watching.